Watch,
Phela mina mayidala I'm back in the world from emaphupweni. Sokhuluma kusasa.
Yo. Hayi, sure boy.
Sure, hola.
Ekuyabanda namhlanje boy.
Manje sicathulo bluko.
Oh my god.
Inkunzi. Yo. Futhi mayibekehla nemgaqweni. Ngavelenye nje ngeke imfethu kunzima emhlabeni.
Yeah, nolethu light kwaze kwanzima emhlabeni. Lethu omzulu.
Ukhuluma
isiZulu.
Wathuma izulu.
Oh my god.
Shoot like kwenzakaleni yabo like
Emfethu shoot my yabona hey icava khambeni. Hey.
Indoda nginokuyawo.
What do you want, man? What do you want?
What's this? I said what's this, man?
iPhone S9.
iPhone S9.
Updated version, my man.
Updated. Manje why emotionally? Oh my god.
Updated version. Updated version. Yeah. Yabona. Levels, yabona.
S9. Let's exchange, my brother.
Jesus is Lord.
That is still a robbery. Give me your pens.
Wait, hold this.
Sure. No sorry shoes. Shashi's. Oh my god. Only one there. Are you stupid? I said right. Right, nigga. Nice, fine, Ikran. Give me the left one. I just remembered I'm right-footed. That one. Sure. How much? This is Malin.
Stupid.
I sure.
The watch.
Sure, son. You are a good man. Wait. You have anything else?
Fethu, you took everything.
No.
Anything else? Manchester United. I sure for today. Oh my god! But will you be here tomorrow?
Yeah, around 2:30.
Around 2:30-ish.
Yeah.
Come here around 3 o'clock.
3:15.
3:15.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, you must come with a left one next time.
Okay, I'll try.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh.
yes tell the story yo. Ay oda. So.
Mfethu, hey, legini. Kumele vele la.
Ayifuni wena.
Hayi. Hayi, phatha le papa le la.